Hi beauties, welcome to the channel. This is Shri. Today I'm going to show you how to create a simple smoky eye look using a kohl pencil in just 3 minutes. It's easy and beginner friendly. This tutorial is requested by one of my subscribers. Thank you Ravina for requesting this video. Now let's get started. For this tutorial, first let's start with highlighting the inner corners and brow bone. Here I'm using the liquid highlighter from Becca Cosmetics in the shade Opal. Instead of highlighting those areas after the look, we are doing it before so that it looks settled once we have the look. So for this, of course, you need a kohl pencil. Here I'm using the CoverGirl Kohl Exhibitionist pencil in the black. You can of course use any kohl pencil of your choice. So start lining your upper lash line. Keep it close to the lashes and make sure there is no gap between the liner and the lashes, and keep the thickness as per your preference. But you have hooded eyes, keep it very close to the upper lash line. Then take a small flat brush. Here I'm using a flat C-shaped brush from Elf Cosmetics, and then I'm going to start smudging the liner on the upper lash line. Make sure to start smudging the liner before it sets, and always do it section by section. Once we are done with the upper lash line, now let's apply the kohl pencil in the waterline as well as on the lower lash line. It's always best to work section by section because sometimes some kohl pencils tend to set fast. Once we have the liner on the lower lash line, let's start smudging out the liner using the same flat C-shaped brush. And now it's time to smudge the liner with an eyeshadow. Here I'm using a deep eyeshadow. You can of course use a black eyeshadow as well. And what it does is it sets the liner as well so that the liner doesn't move, and also it gives the beautiful smoky effect. Start smudging the liner again with an eyeshadow, and repeat the same on the lower lash line as well. And on the outer part you can either keep it round shape, or you can also smoke it out, like wing it out. It's up to your preference. Make sure that you are taking only a teeny bit of eyeshadow. You don't need a lot at all, and smudging the liner really well, and make sure there are no gaps in the liner both on the upper and lower lashes. Then make sure to finish off the look with some mascara both on upper lashes as well as on your lower lashes. And there we have the simple smoky eye look using a kohl pencil and an eyeshadow. I really hope you guys find this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and thank you all so much for your love and support. Please subscribe for more such tutorials. See you guys very soon. Bye.